What's up, y'all? So today we're back with another video, but this video is going to be a lot different than what we have been posting before. It's not really a vlog style video. It's going to be more of a compilation of catches we've had over the past few days. But if you're wondering what this is on my face, I was double tubing with some friends and one of the tubes went over me and the line scraped my face. But that's besides the point, and I hope you like the video.
We'll know. Yeah. Well, I hope so. Yeah, hope so. All right, man. See you tomorrow.
It's not a big one, but I caught this fish through spinnerbait right over there next to a log coming down from the shore into the water, and he ate it. He hooked him right in the top of the mouth. He has a little sore on his corner of his mouth, but we're gonna get him back. He's not too big, but he's a fish. It's a start of the day, so let's get a release on this guy. All right. Yeah. Pull him in, Dad. Good job, Dad. How about it?
How about you?
Sweet. Get him unhooked, and I'm gonna get the big camera out and video you.
Huh?
I'm gonna get the big camera out and video you. All right, Dad, tell him what you're using.
So I was using a walking bait and threw it up against the dock over there, and it was about 3 inches off the dock, and this little guy right here popped him. He's tiny, but he gave it a little bit of a fight, but I'm gonna let him go.
He's gonna be a future 10-pounder, or he is a future 10-pounder. He's gonna be a 10-pounder one day. All right, we're gonna get back to fishing.
All right, let's go.
Look at that. Look at that. I was just reeling in it for fun. Like reeling it in super fast. I was using a frog for fun, but he's bleeding, so I'm gonna get him back in the water. But here we go. I hope he survives. I think he will. I got it out of his gills. Got it out of his gills pretty fast. It was just, they were bleeding just a little bit, but let's keep rolling. Reel him in. Bring him in, come on.
I'm trying to reel. It feels like it's coming loose.
Get a net, get a netter. Get a net. Here. Here, come on. Tell him what you were doing, Dad.
So I was using this walking bait right here, and I threw it in this grass right back here.
Golly.
And it was just like a little it kind of came up from underneath it and sucked it down. It wasn't like a big hit on top, and I couldn't tell how big it was at first. I didn't think it was very big, but after a couple of seconds, I realized that he's bigger than a small one. So I bet you he's, I don't know, getting 4 to 5 pounds. All right, let's let him get back in here.
Yeah, let's let him get back in the water.
Are you ready?
Yep. That's what you call a release.
All right, baby.
How about it?
Let's go get him.
Oh man, pretty good one too. Hot dog. I just caught this one on a walking bait. Threw it right past the dock. Just walked it right past it, and he just sucked it down. Like, it didn't even look like he blew up on it. So I'm gonna put him back now.
When we passed him and got to know Willie,
And see, that to me seems like a nice time.
to live in the deep south.
Did you get one? Yes, sir, Walter.
All right, Walter.
Way to go, boy.
Let's go.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
get
Hey,
a photo here.
way to go.
Way to go, man. Let me get a photo of this.
Caught this guy on a walking bait, threw it right past the dock, walked it right past it, and he just destroyed it. So we're gonna put him back.
Well, you see all kind of boats on it. I mean, you build on it, and whatever you build on it. Look at here. Look at here. Another photo.
Hey.
Another photo.
There we go.
Hold it up. Yeah, hold that to the side, away from it.
That was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us a lot. And stay tuned for more.